Your car's vehicle identification number, or VIN, is a unique 17-character code that contains vital information about your vehicle, including details needed to identify the exact paint color. The paint code identifies the exact color and finish of your vehicle's original factory paint. This code is essential for touch-ups, repairs, or complete repaints to ensure a perfect color match. You can typically find the paint code on a sticker located in several common areas of your vehicle. The most frequent locations include the driver's side door jamb, engine compartment, trunk lid, or glove compartment. Here's an actual example of a vehicle certification label showing where the paint code appears. The paint code is clearly marked on the sticker, along with other vehicle specifications. Different manufacturers use varying formats for their paint codes. Understanding these format differences is important for accurate identification. Using the VIN is the most reliable method for finding the correct paint code, especially for vehicles manufactured after 1980. Modern VIN lookup services integrate directly with manufacturer databases, providing accurate paint code information that eliminates guesswork. The first step in finding your paint code is locating your vehicle's 17-digit VIN number. There are several common locations where you can find this important identifier. The most common locations are the dashboard visible through the windshield, the driver's side door jamb, inside the engine compartment, and on your vehicle registration documents. Once you have your VIN, the next step is using a VIN decoder tool. You can use your vehicle manufacturer's official website or trusted third-party automotive databases. Input the complete 17-digit VIN exactly as it appears. Modern VIN decoders can provide paint code information with up to 89% accuracy for vehicles manufactured after 1981. Always verify your results when possible. Cross-reference the VIN lookup results with the physical paint code located on your vehicle, typically found in the door jamb, trunk, or engine compartment. Professional color matching tools can help verify accuracy, especially important since paint can fade over time. This verification step ensures you get the exact color match you need. Keep in mind the limitations of VIN-based paint code lookup. This method works best for vehicles manufactured after 1981 and only identifies the original factory paint, not aftermarket paint jobs. For older vehicles or custom paint jobs, you may need alternative methods like color matching technology or consulting with professional paint specialists who can use advanced AI-powered systems. By following these steps, locating your VIN, using decoder tools, and verifying results, you can successfully find your vehicle's paint code for accurate color matching and touch-up work.